Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a data image into an Excel file, step by step. I will show you using 3 methods. If you've ever taken a picture of a table or a receipt and wanted to turn it into actual Excel data, you're in the right place. So stay tuned and let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to Google. Now type in 365 Excel and hit enter. You'll see the official Microsoft Excel website right at the top. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Microsoft account, just log in. But if not, go ahead and sign up. It's completely free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Excel home screen. Now click on the option that says Create a blank workbook. This will open a new spreadsheet where we'll be importing the image. Next, go to the top menu and find the tab that says Data. Click on that, and on the right-hand side, you will see a drop-down that says From Picture. Click on it and select Picture from File. Now, locate the image you want to convert from your computer. Select it and click Open. Once you upload the image, Excel will start analyzing it. This may take a few seconds, depending on the size and quality of your image, so just sit tight. Now, you'll see a preview of the data Excel has extracted. It may highlight some parts in red. These are areas where it wasn't 100% sure. You can click on each of these to correct them manually. Take your time here. Accuracy matters. Go row by row, check for typos, missing values, or formatting issues. It's better to fix them now than later. Once everything looks good, click on the Insert button. Excel might show a warning saying you are responsible for validating the accuracy of the data. Just click Insert anyway. Your image data is now in your spreadsheet. Select your entire table by clicking and dragging, then move it to the part of the sheet where you want it. You can resize columns, apply borders, add bold headings, make it look neat and clean. Check your sheet one more time. Look out for any leftover mistakes or misaligned data. Make sure everything is readable and well organized. Now that your data is ready, go to the top left corner and click on File. Scroll down and click on Export. From the options, choose Download as CSV. This will save your data in a format that works across most spreadsheet programs. Once the file is downloaded, open it up in Excel or Google Sheets to make sure everything looks right. If yes, then congrats. You just turned an image into an Excel spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully converted a data image into an editable Excel sheet, all without typing it manually. Now let's try the second method. And trust me, it's super easy. First, open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. You'll see the official ChatGPT website by OpenAI, so go ahead and click on that. Once the site loads, log in using your account. If you don't have one, you can quickly sign up. It's completely free for basic use. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the familiar ChatGPT interface. At the top or side, depending on your layout, click on the plus icon to start a new chat. In the new chat window, you'll see a little paperclip icon or image upload option near the message bar. Click on it and choose Upload from Computer or Upload from Device. A file browser will pop up. Find the image that contains your data. This could be a photo of a table, a document, or even handwritten notes. Select it, then click Open to import the image. Once the image is uploaded, go to the text box where you normally type your messages. In that box, write something like, "Convert this image into an Excel file." Now click on the arrow icon or press Enter to send the message. ChatGPT will take a little time to analyze the image. This usually only takes a few seconds, but it may vary depending on how detailed the image is. Once it's done processing, you'll see the extracted data displayed in a nice clean table. ChatGPT will often provide a downloadable Excel version or give you the table that you can copy into Excel directly. Next, look for a download button or a link and click it to save the file. If ChatGPT gave you the table as plain text or CSV, you can simply copy it, open Excel, and paste it in. It works just as well. Now go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default and open the Excel file. As you can see, the image has been successfully converted into an Excel spreadsheet. All the data is now editable. You can make changes, apply formulas, or format it however you like. And just like that, you've taken an image and turned it into usable Excel data without typing a thing. Now let's try the third method. It's super easy. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Go to Google and search for MyOCR. The website should appear as the very first result, so click on it to open. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to create a free account or sign in. Don't worry, it only takes a minute. Just a heads up, MyOCR gives you 3 free conversions, so you'll want to make the most of them. Once you're logged in, you'll see a big area on the site where you can upload your image. You can either drag and drop your image into that box or double-click it to browse and select the image from your computer. After selecting your image, click Open to upload it. Now, the site will show you 2 options for conversion. One is to convert the image into a TXT file, and the other is to convert it into an Excel file. Since we're focusing on Excel, go ahead and click on Convert into Excel file. The site will take a few seconds to process the image, depending on how detailed it is, so just hang tight for a moment. Once the conversion is done, you'll see a download button. Click on that to download your converted Excel file and save it to your computer. Keep in mind that the free account only allows for 3 downloads. If you need more, you'll have to upgrade your account. Now, go ahead and open the file you just downloaded. You should see the data from your image neatly organized in the Excel sheet. It's always a good idea to check for any small errors or formatting issues. OCR tools can miss a few things, especially if the image quality isn't great. But it's still a huge time saver compared to typing everything manually. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.